Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our Sub Kit Orin NX by Leetop. Sub Kit Orin NX is an embedded artificial intelligence computer developed based on NVIDIA Orin NX module, which can give computer power up to 70 on the 100 tops. The Sub Kit Orin NX provides repeat active cooling design, which can meet the seismic and artistic industrial standards. At the same time, the Sub Kit Orin NX has abundant interface, small size, and high-cost performance. It has 1 Gigabit network, 3 USB 3 Type-A, and 1 USB 3.2 Type-A, 1 USB Type-C, and 1 HDMI and DC power port. On the back of the product, it has SSD and Wi-Fi module on it. The Sub Kit Orin NX makes 100mm long and 79mm wide and 77.4mm high. If you're interested in our Sub Kit Orin NX, please contact us via the link and the email below the video. Thanks for your watching. Bye.